Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Snapchat account. So if you also want to log in Snapchat account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here: continue with Google, sign up. So if you do not have an account, you can sign up for your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface of Snapchat. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your username or email. And after that, what you have to do is enter your password. So first of all, enter your username or email. Tap on this box that you can see right over here. Now simply enter your username or email. Or you can also use the phone number instead. If you want to use phone number instead, simply tap on the option use phone number instead. After that, you'll be able to log in with phone number. Now after you enter the username or email, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply tap on the password box. Now enter your password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want to save the login info on your device, simply check on this option, save login info on your device. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now, after entering all the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now, after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your Snapchat account. So that is how you log in Snapchat account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.